Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Savannah, and today I decided we're going to do a room tour. And I know you're all excited. I'm excited too. Just a disclaimer before I start. A lot of the things in my room I made myself, so you can't really find them anywhere else, which kind of stinks for you guys. But yeah, it kind of makes my room unique, and I like woodwork and stuff, so I like building stuff for my room. I don't want to make this intro too long, so let's just get right into it. Okay, so I'm not going to start outside my door because it's just, brown and boring. So you first walk in, I'll give you a little view around. This is what my room looks like. It's kind of small, not too big, but it's good size for me. And my floors are so creaky, yeah, so that's annoying, but I can't really fix that. So here we come in my room, and I just have this shoe organizer on the back of my door. It just has all my everyday shoes. And yeah, my walls are like a cream color. I just have this shelf that someone made for me like a long time ago. And I don't put anything on it because it fell once, so I'm kind of just scared that it's going to fall again. And I just have my bathrobe and towel, and then some jackets and cardigans that I just wear on the daily. And then just an extra shelf and my old guitar back there. Over here I have my bookshelf that I built myself. I have my combat boots there. I just kind of have jewelry and other stuff in there. I have candles in this box and just some stuff I need to hang up in my room. In this I have just some hats and beanies. Over here is just kind of my junk section. I just have nail polish and extra makeup stuff. This is my vinyls. These are some books, and there's some more books down there in my school backpack. On top I just have this organizer for papers and mail and stuff, and my brush I just keep in there. And then my sunglasses I hang up. Over here I have my record player and all my makeup that I use on the daily. And there's me. I just this mirror is way too low to use actually, you can tell. I'm way too tall for it, but I just it makes my room look bigger, so I keep it there. I'm not sure where I got this. It might have just been Target or something. Up here I have a shelf. I just have a tin for pictures, a wooden cross, my S for my name, a glass Starbucks bottle with fake flowers, my flowers from prom, and this little scrapbook that my boyfriend gave me. And I've had these shelves since I was a baby, so I have no idea where they're from either. To the next spot I have my dresser, and I've had this for forever too, so I honestly have no idea where it's from. I just put new knobs on. They're kind of coppery spray painted because I wanted them to match my room. Up here I have a salt lamp and this little quote, or I guess a Bible verse that I got from my my confirmation. And there's just some random stuff up here. That's a license plate thing I got from a store up in northern Minnesota. It's a really small town. No one really knows about it. This is a candle from Bath & Body Works. This is a box my sister got from New York for me. These are just some of my everyday beauty products and stuff. And I'm not going to show what's in my drawers because it's just not interesting. If you guys want me to do another show you my wardrobe, I can do that in my closet, but for today I'm not going to do that. So next I have just some fairy lights hung up, and this necklace organizer I made myself, and I just have a lot of jewelry on it. Okay, up here is my next shelf. This I made myself. It's just a brownish olive paper, I guess, and I just I didn't trace it. I drew a leaf on there and put it in a white frame. Here's another Starbucks bottle with fake flowers. There's some more flowers from prom. These are all pictures that I just put in, like me and my boyfriend and random stuff. This is a old camera that I found at a thrift store. It was like literally such a find. I can't use it though because I don't have a lens and it's a film camera and I like don't exactly know how to use a film camera yet. So yeah, I will hopefully someday learn how to use that. But this is just a little giraffe that my mom got me. I'm a big fan of animals, so I just kind of keep that little guy here. I have another Starbucks cup with fake flowers, another wooden cross. This little mug here I got for a present, if it'll focus. And I just have some wooden colored pencils in here that also came as a gift. This little elephant thing my friend made for me like a long time ago. I don't even know who I got it from, but it's just cute and it's kind of like a little pencil holder, so I just kind of keep a pencil in there. Over here I just have this plaque that I made myself. It just says go with the flow. And then I have my ukulele hanging up in my hamper. The next spot I just have this picture clothesline kind of all around. That's been up for a while. I just kind of change the pictures every once in a while. Okay, over here I just got new windows, which is really exciting. I just have like a white windowsill and a little cactus, my little dude right here. And this little thing that just says you are the light of the world. And my curtains I made myself. And if you can see, there's a copper rod on the top that I also made myself. Like, I didn't make the rod myself, but I used that and I made the thing that holds it up. So I kind of put that together myself. So that's that window. Over here you come to my bed, and this white comforter is from Target. This gray blanket is from Target. That long body pillow is from Sam's Club. Those are both pillow pets that you can just get anywhere. The pillowcases are both from Target, and these sheets are like so old, like my mom had them, so those are just really old. And the bed skirt underneath is just white, and that's from Walmart. So that's my bed. Here's just a map that my mom gave me. I had a calendar hanging there, but now it's like getting towards the end of the year, so I need to get a new one. I don't really know what I'm going to put there yet, but I'll figure it out. Over here, I have just a little picture holder. I also made that myself. There's just a little banner here too that just says Happy Holidays. It'll focus. There we go. Happy Holidays. I made that myself. And then I just put these little string lights up. And yeah. Okay, over here is my nightstand, and it's like similar to my dresser. I don't know where they're from. This lamp, I believe, is from Target. Like, the shade actually didn't come with this lamp bottom. I switched it out, so yeah. There's my phone, and I've been trying to drink a lot of water lately, so I always have a Life water with me. This is an old license that we had on my mom's car, so I kind of just keep that in here. These are just some two little cubicles. One I just have Kleenexes, and the other I just have some pictures and my extra pair of glasses. And up here is just a painting I did myself like a long time ago. My garbage can, not very important. And here is my desk that I made myself, just this year, actually. If you'll focus, please. Thank you. I made it with copper pipe and just pine wood. So I just have some books and notebooks and all my cords down there. I just have my beats and a copper organizer with just like papers and washi tape and scissors and sticky notes and stuff like that. And here's just a cup, a wire cup of all my pencils and pens, and my Bluetooth speaker, my MacBook Pro. This is just my chair from my dining room because I don't have a chair that goes with my desk. This is just a new vest I got at Old Navy, and this is my recent obsession. It's just like a black leather backpack with like gold hardware, And yeah, it's just kind of my new purse right now. Over here I just have my piggy bank and my, it's like a lamp. I just put like string lights inside. So yeah. And then the same curtains and nothing up here. Over here I just have a black hat that I got from Goodwill actually, but it was from Target. Then I just have my Polaroid camera and a purse from Duluth Trading Company. Over here is my closet. It's just like a double door, sliding door closet. Oh, and those are just like some bags. That's all my National Guard stuff in a purse. But this is just my cork board that I just put some stuff up, you know. I have like a bakery bag from Seattle, a postcard. I just have a drawing from a Bible camp a long time ago. Just some random things, some more Seattle stuff. These are all cards from Starbucks that I just took, that I made myself. And Bangs is a company that I kind of work for, so if you want to check them out, Bangs Shoes is a really good company. Yeah, they have good shoes, and I highly recommend them. And then I just have a little strip of film right there. So that's my corkboard. And then the other side is just a mirror. Hey! And yeah, so that's my closet. Again, I'm not going to go into my closet right now, but if you guys want me to do a different like closet tour or like a wardrobe tour, I can do that. But yeah, and I just have my Adidas that I wore today and some boots. And this is a stool I made myself from just in a woods class. My camera bag and my tripod bag. And then this is just like my everyday coat from Walmart. And just a purse from Target. And then up there I just have a little cross-stitch thing that I made myself. I just thought it was cute. Not very good though. I'm not going to be a very good grandma. But yeah, so that's the room. You know, digging it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this room tour. If you liked it, make sure you give a like down below and subscribe so you can catch my next video. Also, comment down below if you have any other video requests or questions you'd like to ask me. I hope you liked it, and I'll catch you guys next time.